don't see any.
Me neither. Sorry.
But we have plenty of green.
I was going to paint the sky. I can't paint a green sky.
Why not?
Yeah. It's your picture. The sky can be any color you want.
Hold on. Here's some blue.
Thanks.
What are you painting?
Just something.
Can we see it?
Not yet. It's not finished yet.
That's all right. Let's see what you have so far.
No. It's not turning out like I want. I need to work on it some more.
Okay, Emma.
Don't worry. This isn't a contest, you know.
Yeah, we're just having fun.
Fun for you guys, maybe, but not for me.
Well, what are you working on, Connor?
You'll see.
What shall we paint today? We'll paint something fun.
What shall we paint today?
We'll paint something fun. Using paints and brushes, we'll paint our favorite things.
There's lots of pretty colors.
Listen to us sing. What shall we paint today? We'll paint something fun.
What do you think, Barney? What do you want to paint?
Whoa!
Barney!
Well, hi, everyone. I'm not sure what to paint. Let me see. What shall we paint today? We'll paint something fun. What shall we paint today? We'll paint something fun. Using paints and brushes, we'll paint our favorite things. There's lots of pretty colors. Listen to us sing. What shall we paint today? We'll paint something fun.
Oh, that was great.
Well, looks like you're having fun, Myra.
I am, Barney.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, good.
There, all done.
Great.
How's it look?
Oh, what beautiful flowers. I can almost smell them. Achoo! Excuse me, allergies.
How do you like mine?
Oh, it's terrific.
Thanks.
These are for the Art in the Park show this afternoon.
Oh, boy, oh, boy. Oh, how exciting.
Your paintings look really good. Wish I could paint like that.
What did you paint?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing? You painted a big empty space of nothing? Awesome.
I mean, it isn't finished.
Oh,
Why don't we take a break? I'm kind of thirsty.
want to go to my house? My mom made lemonade this morning.
Sounds great. Do you want to come, Emma?
No, thanks. I'm gonna stay and keep painting.
And I'll stay and admire your wonderful art.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, see
All right,
ya.
bye-bye. See ya. Is everything all right, Emma?
No, not really, Barney.
What's wrong?
My painting. I can't get it the way I want it to be. It's just a big jumble.
But those are very pretty colors. And you painted all sorts of shapes.
But I can't get it the way I wanted. I wish I could paint like Myra and Connor.
You can paint, like Emma.
I want to be as good as they are, but I'm not. Oh, why can't I, Barney?
Oh, Emma.
At times I feel like I just don't belong, and I never get anything right. Doing my best doesn't seem good enough, no matter how hard I try. Will I ever be brave and reach for the sky? Will I always be scared for the rest of my life? I see other kids and they get it all right, so why can't I?
But you will, Emma.
What if I don't know an answer? What if I don't know the way? Will someone laugh or make fun of me? What will the other kids say? Will I ever be brave and reach for the sky? Will I always be scared for the rest of my life? I see other kids and they get it all right, so why can't I?
But you do.
So why can't I?
Just look at Myra and Connor's paintings. These are fantastic.
I know they had a lot of fun painting them.
But I'm not having any fun.
There are many different ways to paint, Emma. Myra paints one way, and Connor paints another way.
I wish I could paint any way.
Have I ever told you about my good friend, Pierre?
I don't think so.
Oh, he's one of the most famous painters in all of France. Well, he's been painting since, well, longer than I can remember.
I wish I could meet him.
And I think you should.
Do you think he could help me, Barney? Do you think he could teach me how to paint?
Well, we could ask him.
Ask him.
Of course, we'd have to go to France to do that.
Right. And France is a really long way away, isn't it?
Yes, but we can get there. All we need is a little imagination and this.
The travel book!
Oh, are you ready, Emma?
Are you serious? Are we really going to France?
Oh, we sure are. There are so many places we can go. There's just so much to see. If we use our imaginations, we can be anywhere we want to be. Now here we go again. We're traveling. There's a great big world to see. We're gonna have fun, you know. Everywhere we go, a new adventure for you and me. Meet a friend or two, that's what we'll do, and learn how they live each day. We're going to travel around this great big world in a new and exciting way. Okay, now here we go again. We're traveling. There's a great big world to see. We're gonna have fun, you know. Everywhere we go, a new adventure for you and me. Oh, come on, let's go.
Little dab here, tiny dab there. Et voilà! Yet another masterpiece by the brilliant Pierre. I think there is time for one more before I take a little snack break. Now, what shall I paint? But of course, I shall paint the cookies.
Oh, well, here we are in France.
Whoa!
Oh, bonjour, Pierre.
Oh, bonjour, Barney.
Oh, bonjour means hello in France.
That's true. And who, may I ask, is this?
Hello, sir. Bonjour. My name is Emma.
Well, hello, Emma. What brings you to France?
Emma wants to learn about painting.
Can you teach me how to paint? Please, sir, please?
I will gladly teach you how to paint. Painting is such wonderful fun.
It isn't fun for me.
Say it is not so. Say you are only joking.
No, I mean it.
Barney, is this true?
Oh, yes, Pierre, it's true.
Is this one yours too?
Ah, my latest and greatest painting.
Oh, the cookies look delicious.
Merci. This is how we say thank you in France. Merci. Huh?
Merci.
Good. You see, my petite bonbon, I love cookies, and so I paint them. This is Pierre's helpful hint number 1. The artist paints what he...
Or she.
but of course, the artist paints what she loves. And who doesn't love a cookie?
Looky, looky, it's a cookie that I'm going to eat. Looky, looky, it's a cookie, yummy and nummy and sweet. First we make 'em, then we bake 'em. I can hardly wait until they're done. Looky, looky, it's a cookie. Cookies are wonderful fun. Looky, looky, it's a cookie with a glass of milk and a plate. Looky, looky, it's a cookie, smelling and tasting great.
They sure do.
First we make 'em, then we bake 'em,
Then we decorate them when they're done. So beautiful.
Looky, looky, it's a cookie, cookie. Cookies are wonderful fun.
They sure are.
They might be chewy.
Not at all.
They might be gooey.
Perhaps just a little.
Maybe crunchy and munchy when they're done.
Most definitely.
Looky, looky, it's a cookie, cookie. Cookies are wonderful fun. Cookies are wonderful fun.
Merci, mon ami. Thank you, my friend. I always come here for the cookies. They are magnifique, magnificent. You agree, ma petite bonbon?
Oh, yes.
Would you like some more, Monsieur Barney?
Oh, no, I'm fine. Thank you, Pierre.
How can you paint the cookies if you've eaten them all?
Oh my, you are right. Pierre has been a little piggy. But no matter, the chefs can bake some more. S'il vous plaît. Please. Merci, merci.
Did you see this painting, Emma?
Ah, yes. This is one of my early paintings. I painted it early this morning.
Hey, that's Riff.
Indeed it is. Do you know Monsieur Riff?
Oh, we sure do.
What's he doing there?
Ah, this we call lawn bowling, a very popular game here in France.
It looks fun.
Oui, oui. This is how we say yes, yes. Lawn bowling is very fun, and that is why I painted it.
Hi, guys!
Hi, Riff.
Bonjour, Pierre. Just wanted to see if you'd finished the painting and what... Sir! Oh, Pierre, that's totally tippity top.
Merci, Riff. Thank you.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, Emma, did you see Pierre's other paintings?
They're so beautiful.
Oh, it looks like you've been painting lots of happy faces, Pierre.
Ah, when the children play games, they are happy. And happy children make me happy.
Oh, does playing games make you happy? Oh, me too. No matter where you live in this great big world, everyone loves to play games. When we're together, there's nothing better than playing a game with a friend. With games we all know, we can get up and go. We can make up new games and pretend. Laughing and running or singing a song. Climbing and jumping all day long. I love it when we play together, playing games. There's nothing like playing them games. Everyone loves to play games. Let's keep on playing our games. Dancing along, we can play all day long. Never get tired of the fun. There's always a new game, or one with a new name. A game we can teach everyone. There are many outdoor games that we love to play, and others we save for a rainy day. As long as we're playing together, playing games. There's nothing like playing games. Everyone loves to play games. Oh, let's keep on playing our games.
Pierre's paintings are great.
Oh, yes, they are.
A lot better than mine will ever be.
Ma petite bonbon, how can you say this?
It's true.
Pierre paints the way Pierre paints. Emma paints as Emma paints. You understand, my dear?
Sorta.
There are many, many different ways to paint. My way, your way, all ways are good.
That's what Barney says.
Ah, and Monsieur Barney is right.
Oh, and now here's a cool painting. And look, it's Baby Bob.
You're right. And it looks like they're really dancing.
Oh,
Well, with a little help, perhaps they can. No.
wow.
Oh, can you show us your dance?
Yes, yes. A little dance, s'il vous plaît.
Yes, we can!
Okay. Okay, baby bop. That was stupendous.
Oh, bonjour, Barney. Hi. Well, what are you two doing here?
Well, Emma came to ask Pierre for some help with her painting.
And it is time for Pierre's helpful hint number 2. An artist can paint with many colors.
Oh, you mean like the pretty colors in my dress?
Exactement.
Or the colors of these balls?
Oui, oui. You like these colors too, no?
Yeah.
Then you must use them when you paint. Big, bright, bold, beautiful colors.
Oh, look around. Do you see lots of beautiful colors? Oh, boy.
We like colors, we like them a lot. We've got colors, colors we've got. Red, blue, and yellow, purple, orange, green. Black, white, brown, every color in between. Colors all around the world. For every boy and girl. Red makes me think of an apple or a cherry. The sun when it sets, or a ripe strawberry. Blue is the sky, blue is the sea. Blue is the color of a blueberry. Colors all around the world. For every boy and girl. Orange is a pumpkin, orange is a carrot, orange is an orange. We can share it.
And if you haven't seen what is purple and green, just take a look at Barney. See what I mean?
Colors all around the world. For every boy and girl.
We like colors.
We like colors.
We like them a lot.
We like them a lot.
We've got colors.
We've got colors.
Colors we've got.
Colors we've got.
Red, blue, and yellow.
Red, blue, and yellow.
Purple, orange, green.
Purple, orange, green.
Black, white, brown.
Black, white, brown.
Every color in between.
Every color in between.
Colors all around the world. For every boy and girl. Colors all around the world. For every boy and girl.
Yeah, I see how you use lots of bright colors.
But there is more to painting than only color.
What's this?
Oh, it looks like some kind of tower.
Oh, it's a very famous one called the Eiffel Tower.
This brings us to Pierre's next helpful hint. You remember the others?
Helpful hint number 1. Paint what you love.
Hint number 2, use bright, beautiful colors.
And now, number 3. Can you guess it? It is the shape. Pierre's helpful hint number 3. An artist finds many shapes in the world. See here, each of my paintings has a different shape in it. Here, the Eiffel Tower is shaped like a triangle, no?
Oh, yeah. I see it.
It has 3 sides.
Oh, it is a triangle.
Can you tell what shape this is?
Oh, it's a square.
Eh bien, very good. And if you look closely, what do you see here?
Oh, a circle!
Correct! How smart you all are.
Do you see the shapes in the pictures? The whole world is filled with wonderful shapes. Can you guess what these shapes are? Count up the sides. 1, 2, 3. That is a triangle that you see. 4 same sides. That is a square. Different shapes are everywhere.
It's a wonderful world of shapes. It's a beautiful place to be. Take a look around from the sky to the ground at the shapes that you can't see. Oh, the different shapes you'll see.
If the shape is round like the sun in the sky, That is a circle going by. Triangle, circle, and a square. Different shapes are everywhere.
It's a wonderful world of shapes. It's a beautiful place to be. Take a look around from the sky to the ground at the shapes that you can see.
Oh, the different shapes, the different shapes, the different shapes you'll see.
You still remember my hints, huh?
Number 1, paint what you love.
Number 2, use lots of colors.
Number 3, paint with shapes.
And don't forget, whatever you paint, always have fun.
Exactement, Barney, exactly. And that, ma petite bonbon, is Pierre's last and most important hint. Use any color, any shape. Paint anything you like as long as you have fun doing it. Promise me you will do this?
I promise.
Then, you know.
I know what?
You know all that Pierre knows. You are ready to paint.
I am? Oh, thank you, Pierre. Can we go home now, Barney? I want to finish my painting in time for the art show.
Oh, of course.
Oh, may I stay here, please? I want to dance some more.
Oh, may I stay too? I want to try lawn bowling again.
Oh, well, sure you can.
Yes.
Oh, and thank you, Pierre, for all your help.
But of course, Barney. Come back anytime.
We will.
All of France awaits your return.
Bye,
Okay.
Pierre. See you later.
Au revoir.
Au revoir,
Okay,
ma
bye-bye.
petite bonbon.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Barney, I can't wait to paint again.
Well, that's terrific.
I'm going to use all Pierre's helpful hints.
Great.
Now, let's see. What should I paint? Has to be something I love and something fun. Oh, I know.
Oh, well, what are you going to paint?
You'll see.
Oh, I can't wait.
But you'll have to. Just a little while.
Well, okay.
Is she just about done?
Almost, I think.
Can we see it?
Hold on. It just needs a little bit more here and there. And all done. What do you think?
That's amazing.
Whoa, incredible. Merci. Oh, that means thank you.
Oh, Emma, oh, it's super duper. Oh, and I see you used Pierre's helpful hints.
Sure did. I used bright, beautiful colors and lots of shapes, and I had fun doing it. But most of all, I painted what I loved.
Oh, thank you, Emma.
Pierre? Who's Pierre?
An old friend of Barney's. And now, mine too. Thanks, Barney.
Aw. Well, sometimes there are things we think we can't do. But we can do so many things when we do them with a little love. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I do love you. I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Let's take these paintings out to the park for the art show.
Okay,
Oh,
sure.
that's a good idea.
Great.
Fun.
Bye, Barney. See you
Okay,
later.
bye-bye. I'll see you soon. Bye now. Bye.
Thanks again, Barney. Au revoir. Goodbye. Nah, still doesn't look right. Hey, careful, Ben. We're almost out of clean paper. Ah, we can get more.
Whoa, hello.
Barney!
Oh, hi there. My, what's all this?
Tracy's helping me make my costume for the parade.
Oh, that's right. Today's Earth Day. Oh, and there's going to be a big parade to celebrate. Oh, but we should probably pick up this trash.
Oh yeah, you're right. The parade will be fun. But really, Barney, what is Earth Day for?
Oh, it's a time to remember how important it is to take care of our beautiful Earth. The Earth is our home, lovely and green. Let's keep it tidy, you know what that means. You make it messy, you make it clean. Pick up your part of the world.
Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world.
Playing in nature is always such fun. 'Cause I love the forest, the rivers, the sun. But if there's a mess, there's work to be done. Pick up your part of the world.
Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world. Here on the planet we don't live alone, so always be careful wherever you roam. The forest you visit is somebody's home. Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world.
Oh, hi there, Maya. Oh, have you met Tracy and Ben?
Oh, I've seen them around.
Hi.
So, what's that you have?
Oh, seeds. I'm getting ready to do a little spring planting.
Oh, boy, oh, boy.
These are seeds of the future, you know.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Well, this little baby has grown nice and tall.
From a small blade of grass to the tallest tree, it all starts with a little seed. There was a hole
There was a hole
in the middle of the ground.
in the middle of the ground.
The prettiest hole
The prettiest hole
that you ever did see.
that you ever did see.
And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around.
And in this hole,
And in this hole,
there was a tree.
There was a tree,
The prettiest tree
the prettiest tree.
that you ever did see.
that you ever did see.
Well, the tree in the hole and the hole in the ground.
And the green grass grows all around,
And the green grass grows all around. And on this tree,
And on this tree,
there was a branch.
there was a branch.
The prettiest branch
The prettiest branch
that you ever did see.
that you ever did see.
Well, the branch on the tree, and the tree in the hole, and the hole in the ground.
And the green grass grows all around,
And the green grass grows all around.
And on this branch,
And on this branch,
there was a nest.
there was a nest.
The prettiest nest.
The prettiest nest
that you ever did see.
that you ever did see. Well, the nest on the branch,
And the branch on the tree.
In the tree, in the hole,
And the hole in the ground.
And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around.
Oh boy!
I never noticed that bird nest before.
Looks like this tree is providing a great home for some birds.
Oh, I better be going. I have a few more details to organize for today's Earth Day parade.
Okay.
Oh, look!
Oh,
I can use this to make a bird feeder. See you later.
okay, bye.
Maya's in charge of the parade.
Uh-huh.
Cool. Now come on, let's finish my costume. But we're out of paper. Oh man, and all I need is a little more.
Hey, guys, come over here, quick.
Okay, all right, here we go.
What's up, BJ?
Check this out. Hey, Barney, guys.
Hi, Mr. Copeland.
Guess what? We're getting a brand new playground for the park. Sissy, they were supposed to guess. Oh, well, guess. A new playground!
It is a beauty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Would you look at that? Will the new playground go here?
Maybe. I'm not sure just yet. If we put it here, this tree will have to be cut down.
Oh, no.
Gotta think about that. Well, see you around.
Okay.
Bye,
Mr. Copeland.
I wish they wouldn't cut down this tree. There's a bird's nest in it.
Well, somebody better tell that bird this tree's gotta go.
This is their home, BJ. Many animals live in trees.
Like squirrels and frogs.
Do frogs really live in trees?
Well, some do. Frogs can even live in the desert, but that one lives over in the meadow. Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother frog and her little froggy one.
Croak said the mother, I croak said the one.
So they croaked and they croaked in the sand, in the sun. Over in the meadow, in the stream so blue, lived an old mother fish and her little fishies too.
Swim said the mother, we swim said the two.
So they swam and they swam in the stream so blue. Over in the meadow, on the branch of a tree, lived an old mother bird and her little birdies three.
Sing said the mother, we sing said the three.
So they sang and they sang on the branch of the tree.
That meadow has all kinds of guys in it.
Animals live all around us, and the earth gives us air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat.
And a great place for a new playground.
I just wish they didn't have to cut down this tree.
We got zillions of them.
There's only one tree like this.
Did I ever tell you about the one and only, one-of-a-kind, higgledy-piggledy pear tree?
The what tree?
The higgledy-piggledy pear tree. Oh, there's only one left in the whole world. Would you like to hear about it?
Oh, yeah!
Okay, we'll take a seat. All right, here we
Oh,
go.
boy.
Once, there was a very special tree. It had beautiful branches and leaves, and at the very top, a great big, juicy, higgledy-piggledy pear.
Oh, yum. Sounds yummy.
Oh, it was delicious. But when people climbed up to get it, they broke the tree.
Oh.
I never heard about this tree before.
Well, not many people have. To keep it safe, Mother Nature planted a magic garden that grew around it, till the higgledy-piggledy tree was hidden deep in a rainforest.
What's a rainforest?
A place where there's so much rain, the plants grow into a wonderful jungle.
Oh, cool. Oh, I wish I could see that higgy piggy boogie biggly.
The one and only, one-of-a-kind, higgledy-piggledy tree.
Exactly.
Well, they say it's pretty hard to find.
Oh, I'll bet we could do it if we looked hard enough.
Yeah.
But how could we get to the rainforest?
Well, we could use our imaginations and yo!
Barney's Travel Book!
Oh, that's right! There are so many places we can go. There's just so much to see. If we use our imaginations, we can be anywhere we want to be. Now here we go again. We're traveling. There's a great big world to see. We're gonna have fun, you know. Everywhere we go, a new adventure for you and me. Yes, we are. Meet a friend or two, that's what we'll do, and learn how they live each day. We're going to travel around this great big world in a new and exciting way. Okay, now here we go again. We're traveling. There's a great big world to see. We're gonna have fun, you know. Everywhere we go, a new adventure for you and me. Oh, here we go.
This is a rainforest, huh?
Yes! Welcome to the rainforest.
Well, oh, everyone, meet Mother Nature.
Hi, Mother Nature.
You look like somebody I know.
I hear that a lot. Great galloping geraniums! These plants look thirsty! And here comes the rain, right on time.
Well, she's right.
Where did I put that umbrella? Kerplink,
Kerplop. Thank you.
Kerplink. Kerplop. Kerplink. Kerplop. Kerplink. Kerplop.
For the flowers and the trees and the fishes in the seas, the raindrops drop all around.
helping rivers flow and your garden grow as they fall from the sky to the ground. When the rain goes kerplop, all the animals stop at a pool for a nice cool drink.
They are just like you, they get thirsty too, but you get your water from a sink.
And the rain can make a puddle, so the birds can splash all around, taking a bath and chirping away,
Singing happily to the raindrops when they make this sound.
Kerplink.
kerplop,
Kerplink.
kerplop,
Kerplink,
kerplop,
kerplink, kerplop.
Yes, the rain can make a puddle, so the birds can splash all around, taking a bath and chirping away,
Singing happily to the raindrops when they make this sound. Kerplink, kerplop, kerplink, kerplop. In those puddles I love to hop. I don't care if it never stops. Yeah, we love the raindrops.
Now, what brings you to the rainforest?
Oh, we're looking for the one and only one-of-a-kind higgledy-piggledy tree.
Blowing begonias! That tree's very rare, you know. Hardly anyone knows where it is.
Oh, we can find it if we try.
Would you help us?
Well, I don't know.
Please.
Well, all right. But you must promise to remember something.
What?
Come close.
Yeah, what is it?
We share this earth with all the plants and animals. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you.
Right. Got it. Now, which way do we go?
Well, right down that path.
Oh,
Come on,
okay.
guys.
All right.
Whoa! Look, guys!
Well,
Somebody needs a trim. Are you coming?
oh, no, you go on. We'll catch up.
I knew we should have stopped and asked for directions. We're never gonna find out. Oh, is that what I think it is?
It's gotta be.
The one and only, one-of-a-kind, higgledy-piggledy tree.
I've never seen anything like it.
'Cause there isn't anything like it, my friend. It's the only one left in the world. Oh, and there's the higgy-piggy pear. Oh, just look at that thing. Barney said it's delicious. I gotta taste it.
We are not climbing this tree. It might break.
Oh, no,
we were
of course
just
not. No one
suggesting
was
that. We weren't
suggesting
really
that.
gonna do it.
Maybe if I kind of bump the tree, it'll fall out.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Sure it is. Bump it harder.
Bump it harder, okay. Yeah, harder.
Don't hurt the tree, BJ.
Oh, Tracy, I can't hurt this tree. There, see what I mean? Uh-oh. Oh.
BJ, you knocked it down.
Oh, man, I didn't mean to. Maybe we can fix it. What should I do? What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do when I don't know what I should do?
Should I make a brave face?
Oh,
Should I cross my arms and wait?
should I count the tick-tocks on my clock when I haven't got a clue? What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do when I don't know what I should do? Should I tap my toes? Should I shout a big oh no, oh no?
Should I ring my mom or sing a song?
I'm feeling so confused. What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do when I don't know what I should do?
What should I do? What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do when I don't know what I should do? There's no way to fix this. BJ, they're coming. Stand it up, stand it up. You're gonna get in trouble. Act natural.
Oh, you found it.
Oh, hey, Barney, Mother Nature.
Isn't it awesome?
Oh, yes, it's really something, isn't it?
Is everything okay, BJ?
Sure.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Oh, I mean, no, it isn't.
You weren't too careful. There was a little accident.
And I sort of broke the one and only one of a kind higgledy-piggledy tree.
Oh.
Oh, my.
Oh, I'm really, really sorry.
And this was the only one.
You poor, poor thing. Mother Nature, we are so sorry.
Is there anything we can do?
Well, maybe. You see, inside the higgledy-piggledy pear, there's a seed.
If we plant it, will it grow?
It will take a long time and a lot of care. But someday, the seed inside this pear will become a full-grown tree.
It's a seed of the future.
That's right, Tracy. We can plant the seed now, and Mother Nature will watch over it and protect it.
I certainly will. But, you know, I can always use some help when it comes to watching over this big, beautiful Earth.
How can we help?
Well, some ways to care for our Earth include picking up trash and planting new plants and protecting the animals.
I can do that.
Me too.
Then let's get started by planting this seed.
All right.
Yay! Will you help protect our Earth and keep it clean?
Yes, we will.
Will you help protect our Earth and keep it green?
Yes, we will.
Then the time has come to start. Let's begin to do our part. And we'll all protect the Earth and keep it green.
Yes, we will.
There are lots of different things that we can do. Yes, there are. There are lots of different things that we can do. Yes, there are. If we really truly care, then we all will do our share. There are lots of different things that we can do. Yes, there are. Then the time has come to start.
Let's begin to do our part.
And we'll all protect the Earth and keep it green. Yes, we will. We can do it.
Now I get it. We can all do something, even if it's really small, because we can all help take care of our Earth.
Oh, well, that's right, BJ. Everyone can do their part.
Mother Nature, you can count on me from now on.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Oh, I know I can.
Oh, well, I think we better get going now. Bye, Mother Nature.
Mother Nature,
Bye,
Okay,
See ya.
bye. I'll see
Bye,
you soon.
Barney.
Okay, keep up the good work.
See you later.
Bye.
11, 12. The perfect place to put a new playground right here.
Mr. Copeland, there must be some way that we can save this tree.
It would be a shame to lose it.
Yeah. Well, maybe we can save it. We've got a great playground right there. Why do we need one here?
Yeah, maybe there's a better place for a new playground.
Well, any suggestions?
Well, there's a nice open spot on the other side of the pond.
Oh, that just might work. I never saw kids so happy about moving a playground, Barney.
Oh, I think they're most of all happy that the tree can stay.
Oh, yeah, nothing's gonna happen to this guy while old BJ's around.
Right, it's the future, you know.
That's right, Tracy.
Now, where's that open spot?
Come on, I'll show ya.
Oh, I want to go too.
Okay,
way.
all right.
Bye.
See you soon.
All right, everyone, it's time for the Earth Day Parade.
Whoa.
Get your costumes.
Oh, we can celebrate saving this tree.
Yeah.
Oh, we never finished my costume.
Well, here, we can use this on it.
Okay. Let's give it a try.
Okay, well, come on. Let's go. Oh, boy. Whoa.
Think about the deep blue seas. Think about the plants and trees. Think about the things you see every day. Think about the way you live. Think about the things you give. And what if every day was Earth Day? Hey! Every day is Earth Day. Wherever we roam, the Earth is our home. Every day is Earth Day. It's time to be aware. It's time to show we care. So let the cleanup start. Be recycle smart. We can make it part of our routine. We can fill a need. We can plant a seed. And we can all watch it grow into something green. Hey! Every day is Earth Day. Wherever we roam, the Earth is our home. Every day is Earth Day. It's time to be aware. It's time to show we care. It's time to show we care.
Oh, boy. That was great. That was a terrific parade.
Oh, it was. I almost forgot. I turned that old soda bottle into a snazzy new bird feeder. What do you think?
Oh, I like that.
Awesome.
Wow.
Now, where to hang it?
How about this tree limb?
Okay, let's give it a try.
Okay. Oh, can you reach it? Okay, let me help you. There you go.
Petals and petunias, what a perfect place.
You know, you remind me of someone.
I hear that a lot. And thank you for taking care of that tree. When you take care of plants, they'll take care of you. Bye-bye, butterflies.
Okay, bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later.
This has been a great Earth Day, Barney.
Oh, well, every day can be Earth Day if we remember to take good care of the world around us. If we love our Earth the way I love you. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I do love you. I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Oh boy.
Bye, Barney. Thanks for
Okay,
everything.
bye-bye. I'll see you soon. Oh, happy Earth Day. Bye-bye.
Whoopsie daisy. Will you look at this mess? Always something to do.